question was it haram for Muawiya to insist on Khalifa to be left on his son after he dies?
His own son. There is no question of halal or haram. It's not advisable. And in fact, it is said, according to some, a caliph can will for another person to be his successor. But whether he can will in favor of his own son or not, this is not made clear. But some schools of thought among Muslims believe that a caliph can will for the succession of one person particularly to follow him, but once he is chosen, he cannot decide in favor of any other person. It goes only one step. So for Muawiya, anyway, it was his own caliphate was challenged, and his will to in favor of his son, I think it was not valid at all.